Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start your activity sheet 4. This activity is based on lesson 2.3 Flats and poem 2.4 People Upstairs. Here your exercise number 1. Read these lines. So we have to read these lines and after that answer each question briefly. So let's start reading. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. And when their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. Now, see the question. Who does they in the first line refer to? They refers to the people upstairs. Now, question number 2. Explain the meaning of the first line. See the first line. They try to get their parties to mix. It means they played mix and remix songs for the party. Now, third question. What are the guests supplied with and what for? The guests are supplied with pogo sticks for dancing. The guests are supplied with pogo sticks for dancing. Now, question number 4. What do they do with roller skates? They go to the bathroom on roller skates. Now, fifth, when do they go to the bathroom? When their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom. Now, question number 6. Find the rhyming pairs of words in these lines. See the rhyming pairs. Mix, sticks, abates, skates. These are the rhyming pairs. So you can write in question number 6, mix, sticks, comma, abates, skates. Now question number 7, find in the passage a word which means many different songs or pieces of music arranged into one piece. It means mix. You just have to write mix. Now see the second exercise. Rewrite each sentence as a negative interrogative. Dear children, this topic, negative interrogative, I already taught you in activity sheet 1. So here I am not going to explain you again. Just I am telling you, interrogative means a sentence that asks a question. And for making negative interrogative, we have to put the word not. Okay? Now see the sentence. The flat is on the 3rd floor. Isn't the flat on the 3rd floor? Question mark. Isn't the flat on the 3rd floor? Question mark. Now second. Nancy Smith wants to rent a flat. Doesn't Nancy Smith want to rent a flat? Question mark. The flat will be burning hot in summer. Third one. Won't the flat be burning hot in summer? Won't the flat be burning hot in summer? Question mark. Now fourth. The rooms are big and bright. Aren't the rooms big and bright? Question mark. Aren't the rooms big and bright? Question mark. Now fifth one. The bathroom is very small and dark. Isn't the bathroom very small and dark? Question mark. Isn't the bathroom very small and dark? Question mark. Now sixth one. The living room door opens straight onto the lawn? Doesn't the living room door open straight onto the lawn? Question mark. Doesn't the living room door open straight onto the lawn? Question mark. Now, third exercise. Write questions to which the underlined word are the answers. So what we have to do? We have to make question. Answers are given. So the underlined words are there. So we have to make question. See the first sentence. The flat is on the ground floor. Question. On which floor is the flat? Question mark. Remember this. When you are making question, you have to put question mark. On which floor is the flat? Question mark. Now second, the people upstairs all practice ballet. Question, what do the people upstairs do? What do the people upstairs do? Question mark. Now third, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. Your question, how do they go to the bathroom? Question mark. How do they go to the bathroom? Question mark. Now fourth one. The young man living upstairs looked rather unfriendly. How did the young man living upstairs look? Question mark. How did the young man living upstairs look? Question mark. Now fifth one. The kitchen is nearly as big as those you see in a restaurant. How big is the kitchen? Question mark. How big is the kitchen? Question mark. Now next exercise. Fourth one. There is one mistake in each line of the passage given below. Underline the mistake and write it correctly on the given space. Okay, so we have to first underline the mistake. Don't forget to underline the mistake, and after that you have to write correct spelling or correct word in front of the space. Now, another negativity aspects of the. Here, see what is the mistake? Negativity. What you have to write? Negative. Negative. Okay, negative. Aspects of the flat is that the people's next door. Here, what is the mistake? People's. S will not come. People is already used for plural, so S will not come. People. People. Next door, obviously enjoying playing loud music. Here, what is the mistake? Enjoying. Enjoying is wrong. You have to write enjoy. 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 Now next, they were yelling to one another. Here, two. Two is wrong. In place of two, at will come. They were yelling at one another. 80 at. When I were there, I could hear. When I were there. Here, mistake, were. Were is used for plural past. So, I was there. In the place of a was will come. Now, I could hear them quite clearly arguing with. Here, what is mistake? Quite. The spelling is QUITE. Q-U-I-T-E. Q-U-I-T-E. Quite. Now, each, another is written. Another. This is the mistake. In the place of another, other will come. O-T-H-E-R. Other. On the positive side, there's an enormous balcony, half covering in a grapevine. Here, half. This is the mistake. You have to write H-A-L-F. Half. H-A-L-F. Half. And in the last, covering in a grapevine. Here, covering is wrong. In the place of covering, you have to write covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Covered. Okay. Now come to next exercise. Rearrange each set of jumbled words to make meaningful sentence. So here words are there. It is jumbled. Now we have to make a meaningful sentence. We have to arrange in a right manner. First, his realized mistake man the. The man realized his mistake. The man realized his mistake. Now second, air cooled the centrally flat is. The flat is centrally air cooled. The flat is centrally air cooled. Now third one, yours louder radio there is than. Their radio is louder than yours. Now fourth one, weekends all the celebrate week they. They celebrate weekends all the week. They celebrate weekends all the week. Now fifth one, sell I my would have to furniture. I would have to sell my furniture. I would have to sell my furniture. Now sixth one, got marvelous kitchen in the it's a fireplace. It's got a marvelous fireplace in the kitchen. It's got a marvelous fireplace in the kitchen. Here this exercise is finished. Now come to next. Choose the correct alternative for each blank. Very easy. Now everybody needs friends or the friends. Your answer is friends. My favorite sport is cricket, the cricket. Cricket. I like the hotel. Dash are very nice. Rooms, the rooms. The rooms. Okay. Here your answer is the rooms. Now fourth, where is dash? Where is milk? Where is the milk? Where is the milk? It's in the fridge. Now fifth one, I don't like dash. I don't like milk or the milk. Your answer is I don't like milk. I never drink it. Now sixth, these days a lot of people use dash. Computers, the computers. Your answer, computers. Now seventh, my dad doesn't go to dash very often. Your answer is parties. My dad doesn't go to parties. Now, last one. I went shopping this morning. Dash were all very crowded. Shops, the shops. Shops. Your answer is the shops were all very crowded. Okay. Now see, we use that for something that has happened as I'm sorry I forgot to phone you. That's all right. And we use for what somebody has said as You are a teacher, aren't you? Yes, that's right. Okay, so here it is given, we use that. Now, we use this is that on the phone or to introduce people. Hello, this is Rohit. Hello, is that Anuj? Lucy, this is Tom. So, like this way, we are using that, this is that. Okay, now see the exercise. Complete the sentence with this is or that's or that. First one, you are lazy. That's not true. I'm sorry, I'm late. That's all right. What you have to write? That's. Now, third one, I can't come to the party tomorrow. Oh, that's a pity. Why not? Now, fourth one, Jill plays the piano very well. Really? I didn't know that. Only that will come. Fifth, I'm sorry I was angry yesterday. That's okay. Forget it. Now, sixth, you're a friend of Tom's, aren't you? Yes, that's right. Now, seventh, I'm sorry I forgot to phone you. Your answer? That's all right. Now, eighth, Chetan has got a new job. Has he? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Now, on the telephone, Anuj. Hello, Neha. This is Anuj. Neha. Oh, hello, Anuj. How are you? Now, Sonu meets Paul's sister, Bubbly. Paul. Sonu, this is my sister, Bubbly. Sonu. Hello, Bubbly. Now, this exercise finished here. Now, come to next. For each of the following word, write 3 more words having the same meaning. You can choose these words from the box given below. From this box. Here, some words are given and it is said what you have to do. You have to write 3 more words having the same meaning. Okay? So here I am telling you one meaning, and you have to find other 2 meanings. This is your homework. Okay? So like thresh. Thresh means beat. Position means place. Previous, former, proposal, plan, nuisance, irritation, continue, remain, delightful, pleasing, frightened, nervous. So this I told you from this box only. Now you have to find out two more words that have the same meaning. Okay? Now see the next exercise. Write briefly in one sentence each what the following people do. A pilot is a person who flies an aeroplane. A priest is a person who worships in the church. A tailor is a person who stitches the clothes. A doctor is a person who treats the patient. A barber is a person who cuts the hair. A dentist is a person who examines the teeth. A teacher is a person who teaches us. A carpenter is a person who makes furniture. A mechanic is a person who repairs machines. A policeman is a person who catches thieves. Okay? Now come to next exercise. Both the words displease and displease, discipline and displease begin with dis, but In one, it is a part of the word, while in the other, it is a meaning changer, a prefix. It changed the meaning of please into its opposite. Okay? Now, divide the following word into two groups according to the way this has been used in them. This exercise you have done in your previous class 6. Okay? So, again you have to do this. This as a part of the whole word and this as a prefix. Prefix is used to make the opposite of the word. Okay? So here so many words are given and you have to write in the different column as this as a prefix and this as a part of the whole word. Now see, this as a prefix, disobey, displace. Now this as part of the whole word, disco, disturb. Now what you have to do, this is also your homework. You have to find from this box and arrange in different columns. Okay? This as a prefix, one more word I am telling you, like disclose, distrust, and this as a part of the whole word, disco, disturb, disease, district. Okay, this is the part of whole word. Now you have to choose, do this exercise yourself. Okay, in PDF I'll give you answer. Now come to next. Match the traits, professions with their related tools. Now see, barber, clipper, plumber, French, carpenter, saw, astronaut, spaceship, electrician, wire, photographer, film, announcer, microphone, biologist, microscope, printer, press, farmer, plug. You just have to match it or you can write the number in front of them. Now, come to your next exercise. Read the story. Underline each word that has in it a Y. Write each word in the right column. So what you have to underline? Y. And what you have to do? Y as a consonant. Y has long E sound and Y has long I sound. This also I taught you in the previous activity. Okay. Now just you have to underline the word and after that you have to put in different columns. Okay. See. One afternoon, my brother Yogesh and I saw a jet go over our yard. Okay, you just have to underline. Why? On its that's a beauty. Oh, it's that's a beauty, I asked. Where it is, said Yogesh. Over there in the sky. See the sky, SKY. You just have to underline sky. Above the yellow you have to underline. Yellow tar. I yield. Yield also you have to underline. I would like to fly one day, said Yogesh. We will try to save for that. Here my 50 paise to start, I said. Just then the jingling of a bell was heard down the street. It was Goldie, the ice cream man. We could have a creamy kulfi for 50. Yogesh looked at me. Why not? I said. It is hot and dry today. Taking a lick at the kulfi, Yogesh said, we will be 50 before we save enough to pay for the aeroplane. Yes, I said, we would better start early. Now, you just have to find the words that have Y as a consonant. I'll give you example. Y as a consonant like Yogesh, yard, yellow. Okay. Now Y long E sound. Beauty, 50, Goldie, early, creamy. Long I sound. My, fly, sky, dry, try, why. Okay, you just have to underline these words and write in correct column. Now your activity is finished here. I'll give you PDF of both the activity sheet 3 and 4 on Saturday. Okay, now I'm going to stop this video. Thank you.